A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pavan Kumar. Today I will discuss the topics related to domain and range of trigonometric functions. So class, in previous lecture I have completed some questions regarding as related to trigonometric functions. So in today lecture I will discuss domain and range of trigonometric functions. So see, domain and range of trigonometric functions. Domain and range of trigonometric functions. See, first of all, I will discuss the domain of sine x. Domain of sine x. Now see, you know the graph of sine x, the graph of sine x you will see this is the graph of sine x. And this is the elements lies on x-axis, and this is the domain elements. This is pi by 2, this is 0, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is pi, this is 5 pi by 2, this is 2 pi, this is 0, this is pi, and this is 5 pi by 2 means 0, pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi, and this is 5 pi by 2, this is 3 pi, this is 7 pi by 2. So there are so many points you can consider on x-axis. Now you will see from this graph, it is clear we are going to write this is the graph of sine x. This is the graph of sine x. Now sin x is 0 or sin x value is 0 means Sine 0 is 0, sine pi value is 0, sine 2 pi is 0, sine 3 pi is 0, sine 4 pi is 0, this is 4 pi, means multiple of pi result you will get 0 value. Multiple of pi result you will get 0 value on circular motion of any points. This is 0 degree, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 2, this is 4 pi by 2, and this is 5 pi by 2, this is 6 pi by 2, this is 7 pi by 2, and this is 8 pi by 2. This is a circular angle. Now, from this graph it is clear that this is y-axis. Domain of sin x. What we can say? What is domain? Domain is the value of function at which it is defined, or value of x at which the function is defined. Value of x at which the function is defined. This is domain. So for every value of x, the function is defined. From this graph, it is clear. From this graph, it is clear for all, or for every value of x, function sin x is defined. So domain of sin x is equal to domain of sin x, that is all real number, all real number, or we can say the set of real number. Or we can write is the set of all real number, we can say. Now, how we can write? Domain of sin x, x such that x belongs to real number. This is the domain of sin x. Now, what is the range of sin x? Range of sin x. From this graph, it is clear the value of sin x or sin pi by 2 result is 1. This value goes to 1. Here you will get 1. And at a 3 pi by 2 result you will get minus 1. So for a peak point, the value of sin x is maximum. So maximum point is, or maximum value attains, that is 1, and the minimum value, that is minus 1. So what we can say? The value of sin x lies between minus 1 to 1. So we can write y such that y is greater equal to -1 and less equal to 1. This is the range of sin x. Range of sin x. See. Now this is completed. Now class, now I will discuss next function, cos x. See, now domain of sin x, cos x. Domain of cos x. See, domain of cos x. Domain of cos x. So, to define the domain of cos x, first of all, I will discuss graph of sin x, graph of cos x. So, see, graph of cos x. In circular motion of a points, consider on circular motion I am representing here, or graph also. So, see, this is the point P making an angle theta, and at this point theta is equal to 0 degree. At this point theta is equal to pi by 2 degree. At this point theta is equal to pi. This point theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. And at this point theta is equal to 4 pi by 2. This is 5 pi by 2. This is 6 pi by 2, means 3 pi. This is 7 pi by 2. This is 8 pi by 2. This is 9 pi by 2. This is 10 pi by 2. 11 pi by 2. 12 pi by 2, and so on. Similarly, we can find its value, angle. So, it is clear the value of cos 0 degree is 1. At this point value is 1. This is -1. This is 0. This is 0. So, when you will draw the graph, you will see this type of curve. and at this point you will get value 0, maximum value 1. This is pi by 2. This is 0, pi by 2. This is pi. Now this is 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. This is 5 pi by 2. Now this is 3 pi. And at 3 pi result is, you will see, at 3 pi result you will get minus 1. Now this is 6 pi by 2, not 7, this is 7 pi by 2. At 7 pi by 2 result you will get 0. So this is the point where you will see the graph of cos x. Now from this graph it is clear, you know, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is intersection origin. Now graph of cos x is clear as shown in figure. Now from this graph, it is clear cos x is defined for all values of x. Therefore, domain of cos x that is all a real number. Domain of cos x will be equal to x such that x belongs to all a real number. Now range of cos x, this is the function y is equal to cos of x. Now what is the range of cos x? That is minus 1 and 1. Value of cos x lies from minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. So range of cos x will be y such that y is greater equal to minus 1 and lesser equal to 1. This is the range of cos x. Now see, now I will come to the next figure. Next figure is domain of, or the graph of, to define the domain of 10x. To define the domain of 10x. See, to define the domain of 10x, we have to draw the graph of 10x. graph of 10x. Similarly, when you will draw the graph of 10x, what you will see the result? Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and you know class, the value of 10x is not defined at pi by 2. So on multiple of pi by 2, we can say the 10x is not defined. 10x is not defined. On circular motion of a points, and you will see this angle theta, and for acute or obtuse, x-axis, y-axis, at this point theta is equal to 0, this is 2 pi, this is 4 pi, and this is theta is equal to pi by 2, this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2. So multiple of pi by 2 result you will get infinity. Suppose this is the line parallel to y-axis we have drawn, left to the origin also, and this is y-axis. Now at theta is equal to 0, the value of 10x is 0, and theta is equal to pi by 2, the value of 10x is infinity, and theta is equal to, this is pi by 2 and this is minus pi by 2, and at minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 is symmetric part of symmetric angle of pi by 2, so minus pi by 2 result will be also minus infinity. So minus tan theta, you will get this type of shape. And similarly, this is pi by 2, 0 pi by 2, this is 3 pi by 2 also. This is 3 pi by 2. Now pi by 2, pi, now 3 pi by 2. At pi, this is the pi, result is pi, result you will get 0. So this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is 2 pi by 2 consider. So 2 by 2 means pi, and this is 3 pi by 2. Now at pi, at theta is equal to pi, result is 0. So this is the shape of or graph of 10x. Now what we can write? Domain of 10x. Domain of 10x. 10x is defined for all real values of x. So we can write x such that x belongs to real. This is the domain of 10x. And now range of what is the range of 10x? What we can write? The range of 10x. See, means at odd multiple of pi by 2, result is infinity. So pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 7 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2. So odd multiple of pi by 2, result is not defined. So what will be the what will be the range of, so here for all real values of x such that for all real x such that x belongs to R, domain of sin x 10x is, there is some mistakes, excluding odd multiple of pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2. So we can write minus, we can write 2n plus 1 pi by 2, 2n plus 1 pi by 2 the function is not defined, the function is not defined. So in domain of 10x is some mistakes. So x such that x belongs to real number and x is not equal to, here you can write x is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 for all small n belongs to integer. So see, this is the domain of 10x. Now what will be the range of 10x? Range is going from infinity plus infinity to minus infinity. So what is the range of 10x? So range of 10x is the y such that y belongs to real, or we can write minus infinity to plus infinity. This is the range of 10x. Now this is completed.